Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. The Euro-USD pair in the last 24 hours have made some changes. And we can see that the price has made another bearish candle, and now today we have another that is forming on the chart. We can see that after Monday and after reaching lower level, the price has returned back up, making a retrace and testing the previous support, which now acts as a resistance at 0.96716. And from there we can see that the price has returned back down, did not close above this level, which means this level was strong enough for the price to hold the price below this level, and the sellers are strong enough to continue to push the price down. If we change to the 4-hour time frame, we can see what has happened in the last 24 hours, in the last 6 candles. Yesterday I have made this small triangle where I was expecting the price will break outside to the upside and reach the higher level, and we can see that the price has gone outside of this triangle and reached this support level, could not close the 4-hour time frame above these candles. We can see that the candle has made a bearish pin bar, which was a pretty nice price action signal for the bears that the price will continue to move down, because the pin bar has been formed right on this resistance level and on this supply zone, where I was expecting that the price will return back up, confirming this breakout to the downside and making this previous support as a now resistance level. From here we can see that the price has continued to move down. After the pin bar, the price has formed an indecision candle, but this indecision candle could not reach higher level than this one was, and also could not close the 4-hour candle above this candle. We can see after that the bears has continued to push the price down, and the price has closed below this level, which means on the 4-hour time frame we have a breakout to the downside, which confirms that the price will continue to move down. The next level for the price is this one, where we can see that 3 candles has formed and could not break below. You can see that the lowest level for these 3 candles was here. Not one of these 3 candles could not close 4-hour below this level, except this one, which is currently active 4-hour time frame candle, which represents a breakout possible to the downside. If we check on the daily time frame, we can see that the daily candle is continuing to move down, and the next level is here, 0.94861. So we can expect today that the price will continue to move down. If we see on the 4-hour time frame, the candle closes below these 2 candles. If it closes, we will see possibly the price continue to move down, because there is no support level below this level and between this level. So the next target, I will just put this downtrend channel resistance support line here, so we can see where is the confluence of the support that we can expect. So in this move we can see that the price, just a minute, we can see that the price is continue to move down. I will also change this, sorry. Okay, and I will move this a little bit here so it doesn't. Okay, here it is. Now we can continue. So we are expecting this candle to break below, because we currently have 4-hour time frame candle that has broke below these 3 candles low, which represents small breakout to the downside. And now we need to wait until this 4-hour time frame candle closes below this level, below these 2 candles low, and then after this support level, which is drawn here. This is also a small demand zone that is preventing the price to move down, and after this demand zone is broken and the price is closed below, we will possibly see the price moving down. If we see the daily candle closes below this level here, which was just mentioning, then the next level is 0.94861. So the current market overview is still bearish. There are no bull signs that the price will continue to move up, and we have here a downtrend resistance line which will prevent the price to move higher. On the 4-hour time frame, if we want to see some kind of a change of the price where the bulls could take over, we need to see a 4-hour candle closing above this level here, which is a breakout level for the bulls, because in this moment when the price was trying to move up from this here level, we could see that this price level is the key level for the bulls, where they could not close 4-hour time frame candle, and then the price was pushed down. So this is the area where the sellers are pushing the price much stronger than the bulls are pushing the price on a higher level. So if we see the price closing above this level, this will possibly mean that the price will move outside of this downtrend channel, which will mean the breakout, at least small breakout, for the price to reach this level 0.96716, which is a first step that the price changes a bias from the bearish market at least into a neutral or a slightly bullish market overview, where we could see the price heading here towards this resistance line, which is downtrend channel. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.